Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vitamin gummies at home. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need unflavored gelatin, your favorite fruit juice, and liquid vitamins. Make sure to have silicone molds, a saucepan, and a whisk. Choosing unsweetened juice helps control sugar content. This initial step is crucial for a smooth gummy making process, ensuring everything is at hand before you begin. Now, let's mix our gummy base. Start by blooming your gelatin in about 1/4 cup of cold fruit juice for 5 minutes. This softens it. Next, gently warm the remaining juice in a saucepan over low heat, ensuring it doesn't boil. Then, whisk the bloomed gelatin into the warm juice until it completely dissolves. This creates a smooth, consistent liquid, ready for the next step. With your base ready, it's time to add the vitamins. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in your liquid vitamins. Mix well to ensure even distribution throughout the mixture. Then, carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone molds. Try not to overfill them. This helps create perfectly shaped gummies. Work quickly, as the mixture will begin to set as it cools. Finally, let's set and store your delicious gummies. Place the filled molds in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until they are completely firm. Once set, gently pop them out of their molds. Store your homemade vitamin gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks, providing a tasty way to get your daily vitamins.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.